So, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, ang aking gagawin po ngayon is a basic tutorial on how to make a Cisco packet tracer and how to solve one problem that has given to us. So, my name is Norman Hesta and I will teach you how to use Cisco packet tracer. So, first, we must look for a problem. So this is a problem. So you are a network engineer tasked with design a small office network that connects three departments, HR, IT, and sales. And each department has two computers. One is wired and one is wireless, and one printer. And need access to a wireless server and printer. So you must also create a separate wireless network with three mobiles, phones that connected to a router to act as a free Wi-Fi for the customer lounge. The password of all router must be 123456789. So, yun ang ating problema na kailangan nating solbarin. So, first is we must open the Cisco Packet Tracer. So, we must create new file. So, first is ang una nating gagawin is ano ang kailangan nating mga requirements para sa ating kwan. So, first is two computers. One is wireless and one is wired. So, two computers of each department. So, a total of 6 computers. So, here, we must add a 6 computer. Then, each computer must have one printer. And we also need a server. Then next is sorry. Next is we also need 3 phones. Smartphone. So, according to the problem that has given to us is it must be wireless. So we need to have a router. Two routers for each. Then next, the router must have a password of 123456789. So must add so in the config we click the wireless and click the WPA2 for the password. So just put the password of 123456789. Then in the global, in the physical, it's good. Then here you must change the IP address. Change the IP address to 1 and 30. But you can change it into yours. Fine. Then change the display name to wireless for Wi-Fi for phones. Then X. And as you can see, the smartphone is connected to this wireless router. So first, it's not responding. So then, as always, Mhm. Mhm. Change it, but don't make a same IP configuration of each router. It must be a unique IP config. So next is go to the wireless WPA password for password, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then global settings, change it to Wi-Fi launch. Now it's not connected, so we must connect it to the Wi-Fi for phones. So in the smartphone, click smartphone, desktop, and there is no for Wi-Fi, so we must go to config and wireless. No, config cell 1 and then wireless, then check if what is you use is WPA, then wait lang. This is WPA PA to PSK, so PSK passphrase. So here in the first smartphone is wireless, then WPA is 82, then passphrase is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then X, then same thing as you do from smartphone to config wireless, click WPA pass to, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then um smartphone to wireless, then WPA pass to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and it's now connected. So paano mo malalaman kung ang iyong ginawa is okay na? So click this, add a simple PDU, add a phone, then click it to smartphone 2. If in here it is successful, but if this is failed, so that means your smartphone is not connected to each other. So you can see in the simulation, o makikita mo dito kung paano nagpapasa ng message ang dalawa. Now, nakikita mo sa simulation, yan. Napakita sa simulation na ang Wi-Fi for phones is isend niya dito. At spread niya sa tatlo. Pero hindi niya makikita, kundi dito niya makikita ang message kay Smart 2. So, tapos tayo sa tatlong phones. So, dito tayo sa PC. Itong isang wireless from each department. So, first, let us rename this config. Change this PC to PC IT PC1. Okay? PC1. IT PC. Next is HR PC1, and just do the same from others. then some, then sales. Sales PC1 and sales PC2. Next is kulangan tayo ng isang printer para sa lounge. Rename. Name sa natin. Lounge printer. And you just rename. Sales printer. HR printer. Next is IT printer. Now, first is gagawin natin wireless. PC2. So, first is just physical of the PC. Remove this and put this. Then go to config. Go to on muna. Yeah, on muna. Then to config. Ayun. Click config. Click on. Then config wireless static. Then sa wireless. Ito. Ito. Static waveform. Then add IP address 192.168.1.2. Then desktop PC wireless. Click mo lang. Then connect. Refresh. Then PC1 connect. Add password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect. Then connect siya sa yan. Next is HR PC2. As always, physical off, enter, remove, add this on the printer, config, wireless, static, add 192.168.1.4 kasi siya ang gamit ng PC. Now, desktop, PC wireless, connect, refresh, PC1 connect, password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect. Now, connect mo siya. Next is sales. physical again. Move this and this. And config wireless. Then starting add 192.168.1.6. Then desktop wireless design. Then connect, refresh. Then kain mo lang yan. A1, then password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect, check. Okay, connect na sila. So, if now let's check if mag-send na ba siya message to visit mo. Okay. So, next is ang launch. Ang launch is nasa printer. So, as always, off the printer. Remote is add this, turn on, config, wireless. Pareho lang po ito sa smartphone. So, WPASK and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. X, then waiting. Okay, connected. So, check natin from IT to launch. Progress successful. Next is ang server. Server is off the server. Remove this. Add this here. I turn on the server. Can config desktop. Then PC wireless. Then connect. Then refresh. Napin mo lang yung WPA ito. Connect. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect. Then X, check. Na-connect siya. So, next is yung wired. So, ano ang kailangan natin para ma-wired? So, kailangan natin ng switch. Ito, click natin. Then switch. Then, lagay mo lang dito. Then, connections. Ang gagamitin natin na connection is straight through dahil magkaiba ang ginagamit nila na connection. So, lagyan natin. Balik na switch ang nagamit. The switch. So, delete na switch kay gamera siya o ano. Not responding. Yes, delete. Switch. So, yan. Ang gagamitin natin na wire is straight through dahil magkaibang ito internet dahil magkaiba ang kanilang connection. then kailangan natin mag-connect from Wi-Fi to data switch. Hintayin na natin na mag-green lahat. Parang may mali. Then, lagyan. Ayun. Now, nung muna tayo. Hintay. Dito ba? Connect. So, sa ating paghihintay ay lagyan natin ng IP address ang matag PC. So, dito sa fast internet, click mo lang. Then, dito, lagyan natin ang IP address 192.168.1.1. Next, then dito na naman. One nine two point 168.1.3. Ano naman? Then 192.168.1.5. Then, sa printer ay lagyan din natin. Ay, pwede lang natin sa fast internet is ito lang. Para automatic na mayroon automatic na yun. Para automatic. Then, ganun din para sa HR printer para automatic na magbigay ng IP address. So, i-delete natin. So, first is we must check if the PC IT is makasend siya o file sa PC. Ay, sa printer IT. So, in progress. Oh, failed. Failed. So, kailangan lang talaga natin na hindi DHPC ang ating printer. So, again, fast printer, ay fast internet. Tara, ano dito? So, delete na natin ito para hindi maglalag ang ating so X, then dito fast internet static and 192.168.1.7. Then dito static 68.1.8, then 9, standing 192.168.1.9. So, i-check natin. Message si ITPC to successful. Pero pag si IT mag-send, printer is in progress and failed. Dahil, ang kailangan natin gawin is, in the Wi-Fi lounge, is kunin natin ang IP address nito. Hanapin. Ito. I-copy lang yan. I-paste dito. Paste dito sa default gateway. X. And pag-check natin is create again. Lang then check natin. Lagyan natin ang default gateway lahat. Except sa wireless. At pag-check natin ID to ITPC fail na. So let's check natin yung previous natin na ginawa. Wait lang, save sa natin for the YT. Then open exam. Then i-check natin. At 2960/24 TB ang ginamit. I-check natin dito. Okay. Alam ko na ano nangyari. So, balik tayo sa itong ibuhat natin. So, babalik tayo. Yes. Change of switch lang po tayo. For the white. $24 2960 24 T 2960 24 T 2960 296024. 2960 deh. 296024. Apa? Kali di ay ito. Okay, delete natin ito. Yes. Then kani kandere. Then pang-white lang na sila. Yun. Connect. Connect lang dito. Connect lang dito. Naghintay. Balik ka diretso. Yan na. Okay. Now, test natin. PC2 to printer PT. Failed again. Change natin ang change natin ang config 221. Yan lang. Then copy paste lang natin. Config. Then we check from PC to P90 printer is successful from PC to printer. Failed. Bakit? Check natin kung ano ang kulang. Walang IP address. 192.168.1.2. Wireless static 192.168.1.4. 6 kali. Ay, 5 na siya. So, 6 na. Config, wireless. 192.168.1.6. Then, the moment of truth. PC to printer. Ayun, successful. Then check natin from IPVC to printer. Failed. Wala na naman. IP config. 192.168.1.1. Then check if check. Ayan, successful na lahat. Server to PC. Wait, wala naman IP address. So, starting. Then, 192.168.1.1. Then, send a message server from printer. Successful na. So, yun. Successful na lahat. Successful. Okay na. Then, if ang phone is mag-direct siya sa printer is failed po siya dahil hindi po nakakonect ang Wi-Fi phone routers to Wi-Fi launch. At yun lang po at maraming salamat. Love you, sir.